You're not behind on AI, not even close. Most people using it right now are barely scratching the surface. Here is the reality of where we are. There are only two ways this goes. It's you plus AI or you versus AI. Choosing the first path is the mechanism for reclaiming your time, building your revenue, and creating personal leverage. Before we break down how to get there, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next training. Mastering this technology isn't about learning complex code. It requires adopting 5 specific, non-technical behavioral habits. Pillar number 1. When most people hit a problem, their default reflex is to open a search engine and scroll through a wall of ads and SEO articles. You need to replace that reflex entirely. Default to an AI prompt to add data, challenge your own thinking, or spot the context you're missing. Make this your first move every single time. But that brings us to pillar number 2. AI is built to please you, which means it will present completely invented information with absolute confidence. I once asked an AI about a business I work with. It generated an entire report complete with specific revenue numbers that were entirely fabricated. I only caught the error because I already knew the actual financials. Unless you are an expert in the exact topic you're researching, those errors are nearly impossible to spot. Apply a mandatory verification rule. Any claim that sounds too good to be true must be cross-checked independently. Run your query through a 3-tool verification stack. Ask ChatGPT, Ask Claude, and Ask Perplexity. Look to see if all 3 land on the exact same answer. Real literacy means treating the machine like an overconfident intern. You don't trust the confidence. You trust what you can verify across multiple sources. Pillar number 3. Lazy 2-word prompts like write post are the primary reason people get useless generic outputs. The machine is only as good as the context you feed it. To fix this, you need a structural solution. We use a 4-part framework called TICA. First is the task, stating exactly what you want the AI to do. Second is information. This is the background context, like your target audience, the specific topic, and the ultimate purpose of the work. Third is constraints. These are your rules. You might require a hook under 10 words or a specific formatting style to box in the AI's creativity. Finally, the ask. End your prompt by telling the AI to ask you for any missing context it needs before it is allowed to start the task. AI output quality is not random. It is a direct result of the depth and structure of the context you provide in your prompt. Pillar number 4. Right now, most users are paying for dozens of hyped AI tools without learning how any of them actually work. Cancel your redundant subscriptions. Commit to mastering one primary platform for the entire year. For most people right now, that primary tool should be Claude. Keep 1 or 2 specialized tools for unique jobs, like generating video clips, but do your core work in one place. Constantly jumping between new interfaces is just procrastination disguised as research. Real leverage comes from the repeated reps of mastering a single interface. Pillar number 5. This is the transition point from merely asking an AI for advice to letting the machine execute actual work. In Claude, open the left sidebar and click Customize, then select Connectors. By linking an email client like Gmail or Outlook, the AI can read your inbox, flag what is urgent, and draft replies that stay in your drafts folder for you to review and send. Linking a social media publisher allows the AI to handle the entire chain, writing the captions, building the calendar, and posting automatically. The manual way requires you to copy text and drag elements between windows yourself. The automated way lets the AI handle the entire sequence. Connecting AI directly to your output channels is the ultimate workflow unlock. It converts theoretical text into actual hours saved every week. These 5 core pillars focus on exactly how you collaborate with the machine, rather than learning any specific technical skill. Adopting these habits puts you on the path that multiplies your time, your revenue, and your leverage. If this training helped you, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next module. To move into deep, weekly execution with peers, join the AI Injection community at the link below.